Happy birthday, happy birthday, Uncle Ray, you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Kuya Ray.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ray. God bless you.
Mayong adlaw, mayong gabi. Kana naara ko'y bati birthday sa akong bro Ray. Happy birthday sa iyong mga bro. Padayon lang sa kinabuhi kay daghang pang birthday mo abot sa imo ha. Mo nay ampo nako para nimo nga magpadayon sa kinabuhi nga limsog, kusgan ug mangihi tulid kaayo. Mo nay ilhanan sa lalaki nga kusgan. Jeeping is here. Happy birthday muli sa imo ha bro. Ayan. Salamat kay nagkailat ha. Munay akong ampo nimo nga daghang pang birthday mo abot. Bye.
Hello guys, what's up? This is Ninjang Bisaya. So I would like to say thank you to Mami PHK TV for inviting me. I would like to say first, how are you guys? Team Yahoo, kumusta sa lahat? So nandito ako para bumati sa aking Tito Ray. Happy birthday. More blessings to come and have a good health and also to your family. So ayan, yun lang, and maraming salamat Mami PHK TV. So happy birthday once again to Tito Ray.
Hi, mega love shoutout sa ating lahat. Ayan, so gusto ko lang batiin si Sir Ray ng happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sir Ray, from the group of Team Yahoo. Ayan, so may you have more birthdays to come and good health and God bless you more. And we are so proud that you are one of our team. So yun lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Kuya Ray, og God bless, og more birthdays to come, og tagaan pagkang taas nga kinabuhi sa Ginoo, og daghang salamat sa opportunity nga ikaw og kamo si ate nga nagtudlo nako sa pag-vlog, og diri sa ko nakat-on unsaon sa pag-vlog, og diri sa nabaga akong naong, og daghan kay salamat. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello, Sir Ray. Happy birthday. It's been a long time, and wishing you well. May God bless you. May God grant you all your wishes, and more birthdays to come, more candles to blow, more years to come, and hope that baskog lang permi ato ang mga kalawasan, and unta nga magpabilin ka lig-on diri sa ato ang as a leader, as a president of our team Yahoo. And thank you for not leaving us. Thank you for staying. Thank you for your loyalty for Mama PH. Uh, I have nothing to say. Always remember that. Always remember that God will God will protect you. God will guide you. God will give you light through the darkness, and stay strong always. Happy, happy, happy birthday again. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Hello, Kuya Ray. Happy, happy birthday and more birthdays to come to your life. At salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel at sa ibang mga members. At pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagbablog mo. And see you soon. Have a nice day. Happy birthday again.
Hello everyone, today's video I'm here in the pool for a change the atmosphere. So fresh here. Today I want to make a video, this video, to greet our president in Team Yahoo PH, no other than Ray Navarro, or Mac Ray Mix Vlog ang kanyang YouTube channel. So Ray, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ray Navarro. I wish you all the best, always healthy with your family, always remember that Team Yahoo is always there for you. We are so busy, hindi lahat makasupport sa iyong live, pero andyan ka pa rin, nagsusupport, very supportive, very solid as a Team Yahoo PH. Thank you also for Jessie na naghandle ng fans sa Team Yahoo. Ayan, thank you so much. And thank you also sa inyong pag-warm welcome diyan sa bahay ninyo na twice na kaming nag-visit. Thank you so much. At saka wala na akong masabi sa iyong kagwapuhan, Ray. Many years to celebrate, and thank you for your kind heart, pure friendship. So thank you so much, and God bless you and your family. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Ray.
Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.